Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to replace an oxygen sensor in your Toyota 4Runner. First, gather your tools, including a specialized oxygen sensor socket, a ratchet, and a wrench. Always make sure your engine is cool to the touch before you begin to avoid any burns. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal on your vehicle's battery. This simple step prevents accidental electrical issues while you work. Now let's locate the sensor. Depending on your 4Runner, you might have one or more, typically before and after the catalytic converter. Once found, carefully disconnect the electrical connector. It usually has a tab you press. Then, using your specialized oxygen sensor socket and ratchet, loosen the old sensor. These can sometimes be stubborn due to heat and corrosion, so a little patience helps. Before installing the new sensor, apply a small amount of oxygen sensor-specific anti-seize compound to its threads. This is crucial for future removal and proper function. Hand thread the new sensor into its bung to ensure it starts correctly and avoids cross-threading. Once hand tight, use your oxygen sensor socket to fully tighten it, but be careful not to over-tighten, which could damage the threads. With the new sensor securely in place, reconnect its electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly. Next, reattach the negative battery terminal to your vehicle's battery. Finally, start your 4Runner and use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to check for any lingering diagnostic trouble codes. If the check engine light was on, it should now clear, or you may need to drive a short distance for the system to reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.